Hey guys, good morning, buenos dias. Today I got another video. I'm gonna try to do it in English. I'm gonna try to do it in Spanish. Thank you guys for subscribing. This is another video that we have. Tenemos otro problema. Tiene un chingo de códigos. This customer has a lot of code. You can see active. You can see this truck is in delay mode right now. It only goes 5 miles an hour. Solo va 5 millas por hora. Entonces este código yo ya me lo sé de memoria porque es muy común en estos. Lo primero que deben de ver en estos códigos es si estos dos están activos y no se les va. The first thing to check, if you have this active code, first thing to check is the fuses. I already checked the fuses. This one right here. This fuse is the module. Ese es el módulo, este fusible. Se mira ahí que han dado quemando. Entonces el cliente viene y me dice que le ha cambiado todos los fusibles. His customer said he hasn't changed the fuses. Keep burning. See? Burning, burn. So that means that we have a circuit. We have a chart. So I got a power probe right now. I got the pro. I got this one. Tengo este. Con este se puede saber si está open or chart. Power probe. I got the finder right here. Easy to find. It's kind of expensive, but worth the money. Let's try to find the problem. So see the chicane light is on. El chicane está prendido. Todos estos códigos se tienen que ir inactive. Pero el problema está que si yo le pongo un fusible, let me grab a fuse. Let me get a new fuse, and you guys will see the keep burning the fuse. Es bonito día ahora. It's a beautiful day, California. Okay, good. Sorry guys, got a big mess right here because got a lot of work and I don't have time to fix my stuff. I'm gonna take a box. Voy a llevarme todos los fuses. Vamos a ver. Let me check this off. It's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put a 20. It's supposed to be a 20. You see that? We have a short. Vemos un corto. So it's time to find the problem, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to troubleshoot the short or open circuit with this tool. I really recommend it. This one is gonna help to find the problem really quick and fast. And guys, subscribe, like for more videos. Okay, les voy a enseñar cómo encontrar este problema. Con este lo vamos a conectar. Entonces aquí nos va a decir es open o short. Vamos a conectarlo. I'm gonna connect it. This one right here. You can see it said short. I'm gonna turn this off because I don't like it. Prendemos este. Low sense, high sensitive, and low. I like to do it like that. Me gusta hacerlo así. Vamos a empezar a buscar para dónde van las líneas. No quiero ver el diagrama porque pierdo más tiempo. You can see telling me where's the short circuits at. You see the arrow. It's going down, it's going down. Down. Vamos para abajo, ahorita les enseño. Alright guys, we are here underneath the truck, and then keep pointing that way. Let's see. Take this side. I think the problem is gonna be right here, the knock sensor. Alright. Yeah, hear the noise. ¿Escucharon ese ruido? El problema por aquí va a estar. I think I found the problem. Encontré el problema. And this one right here. You see? That was the problem, guys. It was hitting the return line from the turbo. This one right here, it was hitting right here. Right here. Estaba golpeando aquí. Let me check over there. And we're moving from there. You can see now, it said open circuit. So we already found the problem, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, like, and follow, please. We already found the problem. It's time to fix it. Easy money, guys. Dinero fácil, look. Easy money. Okay, cut this thing and put a new plug and put tape right there. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for subscribe, like, gracias. Suscríbanse a mi canal si quieren ver más videos. Ahorita les voy a conectar todo bien, voy a poner fusible y les voy a enseñar si ya se borraron los códigos. Okay. Alright guys, if you can see, I already found the problem, I already fixed it. I'm gonna turn this thing off. I already fixed it. Let's see, let's hope that was the problem. We're gonna use the 20, vamos a usar el de 20. Ponerlo aquí, ahorita se va a ver. El switch está prendido, vamos a ver si lo quema. No lo quemó. Todo bien. Everything good so far. Guys, I really recommend that you guys put the little box right here, because this customer put this thing right here, and it's not good for the fuses and the relay. This relay is a little bit burned, broken. You need to be protected. Don't leave this thing right like that. No lo dejen así porque se dañan los fusibles y los relays. Estamos para adentro. A ver, se borraron los códigos. Sí. We have one, the engine torque protection condition, but all the codes inactive. All the codes inactive. I'm just gonna do raise them all, reset. That code is gonna go away by itself. Eso se va a ir solito ya cuando sienta que todo está bien. working good so far. I'm gonna do the region to see if everything is working good. I'm gonna cut the video because it's gonna take a little bit longer. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Okay, I'm already done with this customer, no check engine. You can see engine protection target rates. Go away. Ya se fue. Ya está listo. Es un Freightliner 2012 M2. Freightliner 2012 M2. Okay guys, I'm already done right here. Ya terminé. There's no check engine light, no active code, so everything's good so far. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you guys, really appreciate it.